Hey guys, in this video, we'll learn how to change Novo account password. If you don't have a Novo account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also share some bonus resources in the description below, to help you grow and manage your business efficiently. Let's dive right in. If you already have an account on Novo, go to the website novo.co. Once you're on the website, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Then, on the fields provided, enter your email and password. Once the email and password is entered, click on Log In. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile at the upper right corner of the screen. Beside it is a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow. A drop-down list will then appear. Click on Change Password. Next, on the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering all the necessary information, click on Continue. That's how you change your Novo account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.